Bell has come out with a new project. It's called Oh So Delightful Quilt and Home Decor. In this class, you'll learn how to do the quilt, and there's also a couple of other little wall hangings, as well as a couple of items that you can use as mason jar tops. It's called Oh So Delightful, and if you purchase the fabric kit, the embellishment kit, and the CD, you'll get the class free. This is 6 hours that you can spend in the classroom, and we'll learn all sorts of different tips and tricks. If you don't want to use the fabric kit, you're more than welcome to use your scraps from at home and just purchase the parts that you want, like the CD for the design, and then maybe the embellishment kit. I hope to see you there.